Hello, my cuddly little friends. Today I'll draw Bluey hugging her favorite soft toy tightly. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of giggles, warm hugs, and playful adventures. Before we start, can you press the like button like giving Bluey a happy paw high five? That will make her tail wag faster and her eyes sparkle with joy. The morning sun glows gently, the sky is bright and clear. Bluey stretches her paws, her tail flicks with cheer. Bingo bounces nearby, ears flopping as she laughs aloud. "Look, Bluey," she says, "your toy looks so soft and proud." Bluey giggles softly. "Yes, I love hugging it all day long." She squeezes it tightly. "It makes me happy and strong." Her favorite toy is a little bear, with a tiny red bow. Bluey cuddles it gently. "I never want to let you go." Can you pretend to hug your favorite toy too? Wrap your arms around slow. Squeeze it gently, and feel your heart glow. Bingo grabs her little doll, hugging it close with care. Bluey giggles loudly. Playing with friends and toys is always fair. They sit on the soft carpet, sharing their happy little world. Bluey hugs the bear tightly, its tiny arms curled. Bingo claps her paws. "It's so soft, I love it too." Bluey smiles brightly. Cuddles and giggles are the best thing to do. Do you want to hug your toy too? Hold it close and tight. Pretend it's soft and warm, and makes everything feel right. Bluey bounces her bear gently, pretending it can talk. "Hello, little bear," she whispers. "Let's go on a magical walk." Suddenly a butterfly flutters, right near the window bright. Bluey giggles softly. "Hello, friend, what a delightful sight." Bingo joins in the laughter. "Look at it fluttering high." Bluey hugs her bear tightly. "We'll wave and say hi." Then Dad walks in smiling. "What are my little huggers doing now?" Bluey shows him the bear. "Look, Dad, it's my favorite, show us how." Bandit laughs softly. "It's wonderful to see you happy and bright." Bluey nods with a giggle. "Yes, Dad, hugging makes everything right." The sun begins to lower, painting the room in golden light. Bluey hugs her bear gently, tail flicking with delight. "Best cuddle day ever," Bluey says. "I love my toys so much." Bingo smiles and nods. Sharing hugs and laughs is the best touch. Do you like hugging your favorite toy too? Wrap it close and tight. The story ends gently, with hearts happy and spirits bright. Bluey waves her paw. "Thanks for joining my cuddly fun today." Bingo smiles softly. "See you tomorrow for more games and play."